IVR navigation allows you to navigate through an IVR as a human would. Typically, IVR navigation is used to make sure that an IVR works, that customers are being routed to the correct destination, and that hold times or wait times are not excessive. IVR navigation is only useful if you expect your phone calls to be answered by a machine, and you know the general IVR structure and menu options for the number that you're calling. It may be worthwhile to place a few test calls and listen to the IVR menu options to understand the general timing and IVR flow to get a better feel for how to program this section. For QA purposes, most people choose to record and transcribe IVR calls to better identify routing or other issues. Okay, let's consider calling your bank. Our goal is to navigate through a bank IVR, make sure all options are communicated correctly, and then we want to connect to a customer service representative. This type of testing is called end-to-end testing. And in this example, we will loop a message and expect input from the customer service rep to confirm receipt. So assume the IVR greeting takes 10 seconds before any menu options are communicated or accepted. Then you hear three options. Press 1 to check your bank account balance, press 2 to talk to the fraud department, or press 3 to contact customer service. If you press 1 to check your bank account balance, then the IVR requires another 15 seconds to communicate your balance. And after communicating the balance, there are two more IVR menu options. Press 1 to repeat, or press 2 to talk to customer service. Okay, now we know enough about the IVR to program our call instructions to do what we want. We will wait for 10 seconds and then we'll press 1. Then we'll wait for an additional 15 seconds and press 2. Then we'll begin to loop our message immediately. Our message will prompt the customer service rep for input, and we will only report the input. It is important to note that the customer service rep may answer the call in mid-loop, or while the message is in the process of being communicated. So in other words, the IVR message may be 50% complete when the call is picked up by the customer service rep. You may want to avoid long looping messages.